everybody, I'm back again. I'm trying my very best to make sure that I get a variety of characters. And I'm trying not to repeat the same characters. And these three characters I haven't seen yet, which is the reason why I chose them. Plus also the fact is that there's three of them meaning that I don't have to interview them separately. Okay, so ma'am, what is your name?
Jess.
And what do you dress as today?
An original design.
From what, Avatar?
No, just a completely original design from nothing.
So in other words, this is not inspired by any particular movie or it's just that something popped out in your head like bang.
Pretty much.
Okay,
Pretty
well,
much.
you're very creative. And the lady dresses as a tiger. Well, what's your name?
So I'm Rachel.
And what are you dressed as?
I'm dressed as Master Tigress from Kung Fu Panda.
Really? Do you watch Kung Fu Panda, the cartoon on ABC?
I have. I don't watch it anymore, but I have sometimes.
Okay, so in real life, like, are you some sort of like Kung Fu expert?
I'm not a Kung Fu expert. I'm technically a dancer, but I've always been drawn to Master Tigress and the strength that she has. So.
Well, there you go, folks. We've got our very first professional dancer that is being interviewed here at Comic-Con. And sir, what are you dressed as?
Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange, really? Okay. So anyhow, Doctor Strange, using your mind, you can like do anything, right?
Yeah. I can send you to a different dimension.
Okay. Can you predict the 6 numbers for tonight's Cold Lotto?
No.
Darn it! That means I'm going to actually have to work for a living. Anyhow, you know, you're the very first Marvel character that we've interviewed so far today. Every other character that we've interviewed who's a superhero went to DC. How does it make you feel that you're the only Marvel character that we've interviewed so far today?
I feel very special.
Very special. Oh, okay, okay. So anyhow, you know, in the original Kung Fu Panda, you kept on moving cool panda all the time.
Yeah, I wasn't. I don't really like Poe much.
Oh, look, everybody, we have another character who just randomly showed up.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Georgia Rose as Black Canary.
Black Canary, is that a Marvel character?
DC.
Oh, okay, everybody. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm trying my hardest to get new Marvel characters, but everybody here likes DC. Like that. Anyhow,
I like both.
You
both
like both?
Good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So what inspired you to dress up as Black Canary?
She is a very cool blonde badass, and sometimes I just want to wear black in this outrageous heat.
Oh, really?
Like, you'd think it's quite cool, but I'm working up a sweat and
Now, Tiger, I'm going to ask you this question. How long did it take to put all that makeup on your face?
It took 3 hours to do all the makeup. So I went to bed at 11:30 last night, and I woke up at 3 this morning.
Really? And how long did it take to actually wash it all off?
Takes about an hour and a half to wash it all off completely.
So are you wearing makeup, sir?
No.
Are you
I'm just naturally this pretty.
yes.
Are you wearing No? Oh, okay. We've got 2 people wearing makeup and 2 people aren't wearing. So this is a woman.
Yeah, I wake up like this.
She's tattooed like that.
And the ears, I assume that's part of your natural biology.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
I'm just
anyway,
that cool.
okay. So anyhow, everybody, look, I have met tremendously cool people here at Comic-Con. If you're not here, you got to come down here and meet all these cool people. So, Comic-Con Brisbane 2017. See you soon. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.